Okay, hi, I'm Star, Big Star Woman. BigStarWoman.com is in the process. This is my latest mural at Wolf Energy, Muskoka Trading Post. This is May 7th, 2024, and this is my mural. And it goes all the way around in the washroom. The details are pretty cool. Love the deets. Oh, such grace. And the detail in that ear. Exquisite. Amazing, and the tail is so soft. So this is what it looks like from there. You go around. And the door is quite cosmic. So when you walk through that magical door, you are anyone you want to be. And this is me. Big Star Woman. So now, I open this door as the bright light, the big star that I am.